Here's a quick review of this spice rack. It actually is a great option if you're thinking about going outdoors or doing any type of activities. You can actually store it away nicely because it's a small size and it gives you a number of different options. It's portable camping spice kit, 9 spice jars with liquid uh, 5 and 4 with a herb cork top. So you'll see how I use these here. I put little stickers on there with names on, so sugar and salt and pepper and hot Cajun pepper in the top cork ones, and then I put actual fluid in the lower sections. So overall, it works well in a camping situation when you want to cook. I've got one with oil, milk, some cocoa, and coffee in one as well. And I think it's a great option if you're thinking about going camping. You can actually have everything in one place and just put fresh milk in each time, so you've got somewhere to keep it. If you've got a cool bag, it works quite nicely. Overall, it fits in your palm of your hand. It's a nice construction build on canvas material, and it's got a couple of eye holes on there to actually put with the paracord and tie it up if you want to do a bit of spicy cooking when you're out and about. So overall, I like this option, and if you're thinking about buying it, it's a good price because you're getting bottles as well as the holder, and it keeps everything nice and organized. Just remember the bottles are glass, so keep that in mind. Hopefully, this helps you if you're thinking about buying it. Definitely worth picking.